So this morning there has been a woodpecker attacking our house. Basically there are holes in the siding, not holes in the siding itself, and so then he sees those and thinks he's exploiting a rotten piece of wood, but he's just poking holes in our foam. We'll see if we can see him. Oh, that might have been him that flew off right there. Yes, it was. Damn him. Yeah. I don't know if you can see, there's those holes in siding right above the window. That's where he's just poking holes in the foam. I think he assumes he's going to find some rotten wood and some worms or something. But alas, it's petroleum-based foam.